Hello folks, it's Jeff Button here. Today I wanted to show you a quick showing of my Goldibox I just recently got and my setup. And hopefully I'm going to be using it this weekend and I'll see how it goes. Gotta turn my air conditioner off so I can hear better, but here's my sticker board. A bunch of these people I've already met. And here's my Goldie box. I set it up on a boogie board. I've got these 3-foot bungee cords. It comes with the nozzle. I put electrical tape here to make this stick on better. I wanted to put something on the end of the tube to keep from getting big rocks in there. Comes with the crevice nozzle. These bags of weights I made up. I use freezer sealed bags. It's leftover spent pay dirt, sand, waste. But so I can use them as anchors. I got 2 more of them if they don't work good enough. And this bag is a sealed bag that has, let's see if I can get it around the other side. Okay, I couldn't see it, but got 3 more of them coming today for my extra batteries. So it's for 2 pots. Connects with these clip things here on both sides, and the kit comes with some spare ones, a different grit, texture for different size rocks or whatever you want to try, or whatever. And I got my duct tape in case I needed it. Those 2 things on the end, I guess those are for the nugget traps. It's these. So there'll be a 2-inch hose connected into here. I don't think you maybe you can see it kind of, but this does turn a little bit, but I don't know if it's supposed to. But it's like a, it's more like a trombone. It's got holes in it, and like in between over here, this piece has 4 holes in it, and it brings the, you can see how it comes down through here, and they're like the size of one of my bigger fingers. And if I pull the grate up just on a pivot hinge here, and you can see the tube, so that sends the small material through here, and it collects in here. Big nuggets will get caught on the end over here. So I've got like 8 feet of 2-inch hose and 6 feet of the 1 1/4 for, this is suction. This is for the water to feed into the nozzle here. The suction comes in here, and then that'll suction tube will go in here. Now I'm not positive the 8-foot is going to work, but I hope it will with the bigger pump. So I got a 6-footer. I got that battery to use for my something else I have going on. I'll tell you in a second. And these are the batteries I'll use. They're 50 amp batteries, 12.8 volts. And I rigged them up. Connectors, there's a fuse on it, 20 amp fuse. And these SCE quick connects. So I can connect this, put it over here for now. So I can connect it to my pumps. I rigged them up. So these ones have this pump here. So this is a 4,700 gallon per hour pump. Now they recommend 3,700, but I've heard people say that they have some issues, so I went for the bigger one with the longer hose, hoping that'll work. So there's the connect. I can connect that right to there and run the battery. another reducer to connect the 1 1/4 inch hose. Fits right in there. I have that in case I need it. And then I have this box to store it in. This is the sleeve that came with it, the reducer, with the Goldibox. I bought this pump separately. Most of the stuff I bought through Amazon except for the Goldibox. And this also has the quick disconnector. So I'm hoping to use that battery with this, the other battery over there, the tractor battery, that one. And I'll connect that to the pump, probably along the shore, if I get into some thick stuff, or some clay stuff that's really broke up. And I plan on maybe hooking something like this up to there, to the hose that's supposed to come in today. I'm not sure if it's going to even come today. Maybe you get tomorrow. I'm hoping to get out early tomorrow. And there's a valve I'll use. I'll plumb it. Anyways, so this is just on the boogie board. And it's pretty sturdy. I mean, obviously I can't lift it upside down probably. And it says bungees, but it's holding pretty good. So once it's sitting flat, it should be fine. I turned it around so you can see it's a Vonic bag, I guess. Lipo guard. They're supposed to be help with explosion, but they're like waterproof, and there's zippers and a Velcro, so I can just, like I said, I had this one wired up already, so all I have to do is pull the one cord out to connect it. And we use a little string for pulling. Now this cover, added feature. So if you wanted to, you could use it underwater with this. I'm not sure if I'll use it, but I have it. And I also make sure that I got a wrench to tighten my connectors on my pump here. So, it's a nice heavy box. Case guide. That also I got it from Amazon. Had another one, but it was a little tighter, but maybe if I'm just doing the one, that box might be better. But anyways, so that's it. Hope you like it. And hopefully I'll be using it this weekend and I'll get some good results. And I'll show you. I'll be probably videotaping some of it on the river to see how it functions and hope it works well. As you can see though, one thing you want to make sure is that they say to keep it level. So I've got this pretty much in the center both ways. There might have to be some tiny tweaking. And then I have this coming off the edge so all the debris can come off the end. So it should work pretty slick, hopefully. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I thank you for all your support. Have a great day.